It's a digital camera, but it's also kind of old school with a tape that goes in here. So it's even older than I expected. And wow, is there a lot of tiny screws. Tiny screws everywhere, but once you remove them all, it looks like it comes apart pretty easy. So, release the battery here. There you go. Little battery which is also scrappable, similar to cell phone batteries. At least that's what the scrapyards usually pay. Oh, there you go. So you have plenty of boards from what I see. And a lot more screws everywhere. Some copper, some wiring. Pretty interesting. So let's unscrew some of this stuff. So many little screws everywhere, it's crazy. So there's a nice little board here, some IC chips, some monolith capacitors, some ribbon cables, but no gold, unfortunately, on the ribbon cables. But let's still keep those ribbon cables. A nice little, maybe a medium board. What else here? It feels like something's being held. There you go. So a ribbon. So we have a little battery here, not anything interesting. Got some switches or buttons, maybe some silver in there. If there's any gold in here in the little connector thingies, there's not much. I don't see much yellow in there. There's probably another medium board here. And a few other medium boards I see here. Nothing too interesting or special. screw here. It's amazing how many little screws this thing has. There you go. Got, again, some ribbon, small little board, some more ribbon, nothing too exciting. There you go. Got the main compartment here where the little tape goes into. Got another little board here with another little switch, possible some silver in there. Doesn't look like there's any gold in there. So from the looks of it, it doesn't seem to have much gold, which is kind of surprising, especially since it's something that's kind of old. Oh wait, there you go. I think I got some gold here on this ribbon. Kind of hard to tell. If it is gold, it's very light gold. There you go. Some copper in there. Copper bearing motor.